to make your very first affiliate marketing campaign complete with video, sales page, review, mini site, bada bing, bada boom. And you can get your own traffic on Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and I'm so excited about this. Let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you create a project. I would like to go to WarriorPlus and go course creation Warrior. You can actually put in whatever you like. You can put in AI, PLR, kids, whatever, but you can do any product in ClickBank, WarriorPlus, and JVZoo. And just think how many you could do in a day and how many new launches are out in a day. And you've got your own traffic generation as well, which goes back to your link, by the way. So when you're looking for a product, you need to look at conversion, sales, refund rate. Now, Course Creation Warrior was made by Paula Marie Roberts in Australia, who I actually know personally. And she made it, and she's one of the top affiliates, so I don't have a problem promoting her stuff because this stuff sells. Okay, guys, it says ready to edit. So we're going to edit it. Right. Now all you have to do is answer a few questions. So it scrapes the brief description from the sales page, launch a profitable course with no experience. Now, if you want to do this, I've put Course Creation Warrior. You have to upload a logo, otherwise it won't let you go on to the next page. So I'm going to do that because I've already got it from the sales page. Okay. I'll put 2. And then there you go. This is just for demo. Okay, so we don't really need, let's have a look, anything from there, because it'll scrape it off the sales page anyway. Now, you can choose whatever colour you like. Whoops. You can have a nice green one. You could have, let's have the green one. I like that one. So we'll have the green one because it's fresh. Now, these bonuses are already on the sales page. Come on, guys. How long does it take you to choose the bonuses and get the links ready? Make sure we don't need that one. Make sure that they're congruent. Logo templates, we don't really need that one. How to get leads, that's good. So this is all about Independent Authors Academy. We don't need that one. We'll leave those 3 in. Okay, so we'll go next. So your affiliate link goes in here. Then you hit next. So your affiliate link is now on each button. several times on the page. So we'll leave it at beginners friendly. We'll do products and features. Now the video script. We'll write with AI. And we're going to put create your own course in 14 days. Beginner friendly. Now you can scrape all the information off the sales page, but then it will make it too long. So let's have a look at this. Course creation. $37. So that's quite short. So we'll leave that in. We'll leave it as Jade, female. And let's go next. So we're just going to review what's going to be on there. We're going to generate it. So this will take a few minutes, including the video, which we will then check over and render. And we're going to put some subtitles on. Right, the video is ready to edit. So we'll edit the video while we're waiting for the mini site. Now I'm just going to show you a trick where you can put your own captions. So instead of these, so to get rid of that, you highlight it and press that. And if it's just check to see if they're all off, like this. And because we want to put our own colourful ones on. Any more? Yeah, one more. Cool. So this is the captions. And we're going to add these on. Go back. As you can see, edit the video. That one has got to be deleted as well. So we're going to double check that one they're all gone. Yep. So there's 6. So we're just double checking. Now we're going to put and then we're going to render it. Okay, so that's now going to render, and it's going to be quite quick because it's a brilliant product. And then we can visit the site. The actual website itself. This is pretty good stuff because considering it just scrapes everything off. Look at this, 4.8 out of 5 stars. Rating, why choose it? Proven success. Customer satisfaction. And this is a blog. Look at this. So if we go home, for example, my link is actually in here. Bada bing, bada boom. So, guys, it's that simple. It's the world's first 100% automated set and forget system. That creates ranks and monetizes affiliate mini sites with built-in traffic in, well, it's not 60 seconds, but it's like 10 minutes. Okay. Go click the link in the description and see you on the next video. Don't forget to like,